decided to focus my efforts on working with young people kind of by accident. I started to work with some delinquent kids in my community, and I found I really enjoyed it. They were not easy to work with, but at the same time, they have the whole perspective of youth on their side, and it was easy for me to connect with them. And as I connected with them, I felt like I learned from them as much as they learned from me. I've continued to do that because that's where I feel most comfortable with. Well, we provide hope to our young people in the sense that they would get an opportunity to complete their education, to get some employment. Oftentimes, the youth that come to us have had difficulty in keeping employment, keeping their jobs, in staying in school. And so we provide hope in that sense. We also are able to identify early on some potential issues with behavioral health that they may be facing. And so by having done that at an early stage, I think it really provides them hope. It's my hope that the young people will see recovery is possible. And oftentimes it's not just recovery, it's before they ever start to really fall into some of the issues that behavioral health brings to them, we identify them and we help them make that transition once they do start to face the behavioral health problems. So it's kind of a different kind of approach with young people.